Imagine this. It's early morning. You're just about to step out of bed when a sharp, familiar pain shoots through your knee. You wince, pause, and brace yourself for the day ahead. You try to push through, but every step reminds you that something isn't right. It wasn't always like this. There was a time when you were unstoppable. Maybe you were running marathons, hiking mountains, or enjoying long park walks. But now, even the thought of walking up a flight of stairs seems like a daunting task. Does this sound familiar? You're not alone. Millions of people experience this same pain every single day, watching as their lives are slowly overtaken by the limitations of their own bodies. But what if I told you there's a way not just to manage this pain, but potentially eliminate it? Not just for a day or two, but for years. Up to 15 years, to be exact. And all without popping another pill or undergoing invasive treatments. Before we dive into this groundbreaking solution, let's talk about why your joints are hurting in the first place. Joints are like the hinges of your body, designed to let you move freely and smoothly. But just like any hinge, they can wear down over time. The cartilage that cushions your joints begins to thin, and the synovial fluid, think of it as your body's own WD-40, becomes thicker and less effective. Combine that with inflammation in the surrounding tissues, and you've got a recipe for chronic pain. Here's something not many people know. Your body is a miraculous machine. While it's true that some parts, like your teeth, don't regenerate, your joints have the extraordinary ability to heal themselves. Yes, even if you're well into your 60s or 70s, your body can still regenerate joint tissue. So why do some people live pain-free into their golden years while others struggle? The answer lies in how you treat your body. You don't need to spend thousands on treatments or endure the side effects of harsh medications. The key is in your kitchen, your backyard, and your daily habits. It's all about nourishing your body with the right foods, moving in ways that strengthen rather than strain, and using nature's remedies to boost your body's healing power. Let's start with something simple: food. What you eat can be a powerful tool in fighting inflammation and supporting joint health. Take fatty fish, for instance. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve joint flexibility. If fish isn't your thing, you can get similar benefits from walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. And what about spices like ginger and turmeric? These aren't just for adding flavor to your meals. They're potent anti-inflammatories. Studies have shown that daily consumption of ginger can reduce joint pain as effectively as some medications, but without the nasty side effects. I remember a friend of mine, Sarah. She was in her late 50s and struggling with knee pain that kept her from doing what she loved most: gardening. She tried everything: over-the-counter pain meds, supplements, and even physical therapy. Nothing seemed to work. Then, she stumbled upon the power of bone broth. She started making it at home, simmering bones for hours to extract every last bit of collagen. After a month, she noticed her pain was less intense. 6 months later, she was back in her garden, bending, kneeling, and lifting with ease. What changed? The collagen in the broth helped rebuild the cartilage in her knees, giving her a level of mobility she hadn't experienced in years. But food is just one piece of the puzzle. Movement is equally crucial. I know. The last thing you want to do when your joints are screaming is exercise. But here's the thing. The right kind of movement can actually help you feel better. Low-impact exercises like swimming or gentle yoga don't just build muscle. They help your body produce more synovial fluid, easing the movement of your joints. And don't underestimate the power of strength training. Building up the muscles around your joints can take pressure off those sensitive areas, reducing pain and preventing further damage. Sometimes, the pain isn't even coming from your joints themselves but from tension in the muscles around them. Have you ever tried releasing those tension points with a foam roller or a simple massage? You might be surprised at how much relief you can get from just a few minutes of targeted pressure. And if you're dealing with acute flare-ups, here's a little secret: pepper oil. Capsaicin, the active compound in red pepper, blocks pain signals and improves blood flow to the area. You can make it at home by mixing crushed red peppers with olive oil, letting it sit for a few days, and then applying it directly to sore spots. After a long day, nothing beats a warm bath, right? Add a few cups of sea salt to the water, and you've got a potent anti-inflammatory soak that can ease muscle tension and improve circulation. It's like a spa treatment at home, without the hefty price tag. So, picture this. It's been a few months since you decided to take control of your joint health. You're waking up in the morning, stepping out of bed with ease, ready to take on the day. That nagging pain? It's a thing of the past. You're doing things you thought you'd never do again, dancing, hiking, or simply playing with your grandkids. All because you made a few small, simple changes. Don't let joint pain steal any more of your life. Start implementing these natural remedies today and feel the difference for yourself. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone you know who could use a little relief. You never know. This could be the first step in changing someone's life. See you next time.